Hey guys, what we're going to do today is swap out our old LED light bar for two U-Butte high intensity driving lights with the help of this little device. I'm going to take the light bar off first. Okay, so this connection here, I want to make sure it stays up. Just jammed it in there behind the bull bar, so that should be good for now. Okay, let's get working on these brackets. So we've got the old light bar off. Now we're going to put the new ones on. Now they're not new, they're a few years old, but we're putting them on here anyway. First thing to do is connect up this little splitter. Now we have a fuse system and it runs through a relay, so well, that's okay. Handy tip, just a tiny little bit of sponge or something underneath where you're going to put the light. Now before you tighten these up, we'll just make sure we've got the cables connected together. So we've already hooked on our splitter, so we needed to make sure these wires go in and under here and get connected up properly together. Looks pretty good. All that wiring down there just sitting there, but it's nice and tight and not rubbing on anything and not loose and dangly, so all should be right to go. She's a beauty. We'll get those tightened up and we'll aim them up tonight, no problem. These are the ants pants, mate. That's a quick change up of the lights today. Hope that helped you out. Just that simple splitter, go from a light bar to two